Welcome to our channel. If you need to download Airbnb receipts for expense reports or record keeping, follow these step-by-step instructions to save your booking receipts. Step 1. Go to Airbnb.com and log in to your account using your email and password or through your connected social media account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Trips from the drop-down menu to view all your past and upcoming reservations. Step 3. Find the reservation for which you need a receipt and click on it to open the booking details page. Step 4. Scroll down to the payment or receipt section of the reservation details page. Step 5. Click on Get Receipt or Download Receipt button. Airbnb will generate a PDF receipt for your booking. Step 6. The receipt will open in a new window or download automatically to your device's Downloads folder. Step 7. Save the PDF to your computer or device in an organized folder for easy access and record keeping. Step 8. If you need receipts for multiple trips, repeat this process for each reservation. Unfortunately, Airbnb doesn't offer bulk receipt downloads. Step 9. For business travel expenses, you can also access receipts through your Airbnb for Work account if your company uses this service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.